Hello, so I just received this from PDP. This package came directly from Samsung. Join me in unboxing these two bad boys. So if you order a Galaxy Note 20 Ultra or ordinary Galaxy Note before August 20, Samsung will gonna give you a free gift. It could either be the headphone, Galaxy Bud Live, or the Note 20 gaming offer, Xbox Game Pass. So I choose the Xbox Game Pass. So ito yung mga freebies niya. So we start to open the first box. So this is the wireless charging stand. 15 watts wireless charging stand. So still sealed. Okay. Let's see what's inside. Oops. Oh. Guys, this one. A wireless stand with Type-C charging capabilities. So this one is the one is included, and another one. Type-C. And now the second box. This is most probably the controller. Oh, this looks awesome. This controller is built just for the phone. XP5 MOGA controller. MOGA? Mobile gaming. For mobile cloud gaming. Just charging. Oh. It looks very nice. What's the mount? To hold the phone. So guys, that's it. Thanks for watching.